दा जों दिनैसिमबो मोनसे भिडिअखौ गोसारबाय थानाय नुनो मोनो बिटिआर एग्रिमेन्टआ आखरे जाजोबाब्ला प्रमद बर' सार बिथाङा बुंदोंमोन सासे मिनिस्टारनि न' लांगोनायाव थानानै सुसाइड जागोन थारैनो जामारगोन बायदि मोनो नामा नोंथाङा?
प्रमद बर' he is a very clever in making false promise. माने प्रमद बर'आ he is a very clever and he is a very expert on making false promises. Whatever he said before election, he did nothing. He did nothing. He made lots of promises. He said that he will give one vote, one job to every student. But now students are asking where is job? But they did not reply them. And also Pramod Bodo said that before election, he said that after forming government, he will give every journalist, those who are working in BTC, they will give that 10 crore. Did journalists of BTC get that money? No. So therefore, Pramod Bodo is very expert on making false promises. And now people fed up on Pramod Bodo. So now people decided that next incoming elections, people will cast vote to BPF. And every section of BTC, students fed up on UPPL government, teachers fed up on UPPL governments, and those who are businessmen and owner, they also fed up on UPPL government. So I think that whatever Pramod Bodo had said earlier, he forget everything. If he said today, he will do another tomorrow. So he forget whatever he said, whatever he had promises earlier. He has that evidence, lot of evidence that he will forget everything. So I don't think so. He remembered that things that before agreement, where we were in Delhi, that time he made lot of promises, but now he forgot everything. After forming government also he forgot everything. When we were in Delhi, that time, before the BTR agreement, that time Pramod Bodo made lot of promises, but he forgot everything. So therefore, before election also, he made lot of promises that he will do this, he will do this, but he forgot everything. So therefore, in BTC, there is no any evidence that this thing is done by Pramod Bodo. There is no evidence. They just made false promises. They said that they done 1200 kilometer road, they did these things, but there is no evidence that this thing is done by Pramod Bodo. So I don't think so that Pramod Bodo keep remember whatever he said earlier. So before elections also he made lot of promises, and now also he is making lot of promises, but people fed up on UPPL government, and they have decided in upcoming BTC election or upcoming in and silly by elections, people will ready to vote BPF, and that this is sure that 1000 sure that people fed up on UPPL government, and people fed up the way UPPL behaving. The way UPPL they are telling lie in front of the people. So therefore, I don't think so that whatever Pramod Bodo had made promises, he will remember. He forgot me. We were that time colleague of Pramod Bodo. He forgot all the colleagues during that time Bodoland movement. We helped him, and we were together. We were working together, but he forget everything. So whatever he said morning, in the evening he forget that thing. So therefore you asking me that whatever Pramod Bodo said before agreement.